Oh, I think I had this before, but I forgot what it's called. Oh. It's very sticky. I know what is this. This is gatau. Mommy ever give me this? I feel like it's some kind of rice thing inside. Like one of those Rice Krispies, but in a weird way. It tastes really sweet. I think this is rice. Brown, it's sticky. I can taste the coconut, and I don't know what it is. I think I'm gonna like it. Yeah.
So try it.
Yeah, I like it. I would call this the sticky rice thing. Cake. Sticky rice cake. Brick cake. Soil cake. 10. 9 out of 10. 0. I think the ingredients are brown sugar. I don't like brown sugar. Oh yeah. Kue wajik. Kue wajik. I know this white stuff is coconut. It smells like pandan. It's green. It tastes like cake. And I think this is like pandan cake. Chicken green thing. Like candle. I would call this the green mountain cake. It looks like a mountain because the mountain has snow on top. It's kind of like tall. 4, 1, 5. It tastes like chicken. Why does it taste like chicken? The cake tastes like chicken. I don't know why. Putu ayu. Putu ayu. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vision Kids on YouTube.